Hi, I'm Daniel DeVille, CEO of Sentry Residential, and I come from 8 generations of active duty military. It goes all the way back to actually family members of mine that served in France under Napoleon, but I'm actually one of the few people in my family that did not carry on that legacy. From my grandparents on both sides serving in World War II, my dad in Vietnam, Sentry Residential is the opportunity to actually bring my service now to the brothers and sisters that are out there that have served on behalf of our country. I grew up in real estate, and to say that it is not a glamorous way to be brought up is probably an understatement. I grew up answering phones at brokerages. I grew up stuffing flyers, and then as soon as you stuffed the flyer for 10 cents a piece, you actually had to get in the back of an SUV, go around neighborhoods and hang those on the doors so that someone else could do business. But taught me a lot about hard work, taught me a lot about what it is to be disciplined, and many years later, here I am actually back in real estate, having more fun than I've ever had before. When we first decided that we were going to start Sentry Residential, what it meant for us was a very heart condition oriented decision. We all knew that we were made to serve. We all knew that we wanted to serve. And with my partners and the military backgrounds that they had, with the previous businesses that I had started to help military members, it was a crystal clear decision to actually build a business that could create an answer to the question of who do you go to in real estate if you are either active duty or a former service member? There's not a good answer to that question right now. There's not a safe place to go, so we wanted to create that with Sentry. Someone told me a long time ago that you become like the 5 or 6 people that you spend your most time with. Creating this team was completely selfish. It was to that end. I knew that by surrounding myself with the amazing men and women that we have here at Sentry, it was going to make me better and therefore bless the people that were around me as well. And I've never been more honored to be surrounded by people like I have been. And I will tell you without a doubt that I am the man that I am today and the man that I will become because of better people who have served before me and who serve with me now. When you meet my business partners, whether it's face-to-face, via video, whatever it may be, you'll come to find exactly why I joined this company and exactly why we're doing this together. They have hearts that are the size of this room, and they use those hearts as often as they can to go out and create new opportunity, not for themselves, but for others, and that's what we really stand for. I'm Daniel DeVille, and I serve with Sentry.